Hey guys, my name is Eric Ham. I'm the developer of the Dynamic Website Builder, a child theme for the Genesis framework. And I just wanted to take a minute to showcase some of the features found in Dynamic and just kind of explain what makes Dynamic unique when compared to other Genesis child themes. So if we jump on the front end, you'll see the default styles are very basic, kind of a nice clean blank canvas look, but really it's on the back end where you get what makes Dynamic so unique. As you can see, when you install Dynamic, you have three new options pages added to the Genesis options: Dynamic Settings, Dynamic Design, and Dynamic Custom. They're broken up into three sections, focusing on settings, which is kind of a general area where there's kind of some miscellaneous options that are actually quite useful. Things like activating responsive design options, activating HTML5 markup, and a few other odds and ends. Also, a bunch of import and export options, allowing you to really make all these settings very portable, easy to back up, and things like that. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and save our changes here because I want to make Dynamic responsive here for a few things so I can show you how that all works. Essentially, if you go into the Dynamic Design options, you will find hundreds of no-coding design options. Now, that alone can sound kind of baffling and overwhelming, but actually it's quite intuitive the way it's laid out. Each section of your site is laid out in its own little tab, and you just click on it, and those are the only options that you see right there. And they're organized very well, broken up into different things like fonts and backgrounds and borders and things like that. You've got color pickers and drop-down menus and all kinds of stuff. But it's not just a bunch of design options that are in here. You're also going to find things like an image uploader, responsive design options, which allow you to style your site for the different types of mobile devices, and there's a lot of intuitive controls in here that allow you to really take full control of how your website is viewed on mobile devices. Also, you have complete width controls, all the different layouts provided by Genesis. You can control the content area width and the different sidebar widths, and then Dynamic does the rest in terms of calculating the different dimensions of your website in the style sheet. There's an easy section which allows you to control the easy static homepage, as we call it. Really, widgetizing your homepage cannot be any easier than using the easy static homepage feature found in Dynamic. Also, you have an import-export section that allows you to import dynamic skins, which are basically pre-customized design options, allowing you to kind of get a quick head start on a design. Or you could create your own and then export it from here, or just use this to back up your design options. Also, you can create a snapshot, so if you want to kind of freeze your options at a certain place, so you can kind of go back to that state if you decide you want to kind of revert back to a specific design. And also, you have this really unique child theme export option, allowing you to actually take your entire design that you've created with the dynamic child theme and export it as a pre-customized Genesis child theme. And then you can, of course, use that to do whatever you like with, and it's all locked and loaded and pre-coded for you using Dynamic. Then we jump over to the Dynamic Custom options. Here you're going to find all of your structure controls, things like creating an unlimited number of things like custom widget areas, custom hook boxes, which are essentially content areas that you can hook into the various hook locations found in the Genesis framework. You can create custom conditionals, allowing you to really focus your custom widget areas and hook boxes on certain types of pages using conditional tags found in WordPress. Also, there's some really unique features like this custom label system that is unique to our own products that allow you to tag essentially different pages and posts using these labels, and then you can focus in your content and widget areas on those labels. Also, custom page template builder, custom JavaScript and functions that are all in here in your admin page, so you don't have to use FTP to control that kind of content. And then a very unique and powerful custom CSS feature, which you can either go real simple, just a simple text area, and fill in your custom styles to pre-customize or to customize the design of your site, or you can actually check this box to enable the front-end CSS builder, and then when you go to the front end of your site and reload, you've got the Show Hide CSS Builder tab, and it actually allows you to customize the designs of your site. Super easy. You can click on tabs. It brings the little drop-down menu here, allowing you to select certain areas of your design. It highlights those areas, and then it actually writes the code for you. You could, let's say, we want to control the design of these sidebar headings right now. You can see I'm just tweaking some options, and it's actually writing the styles for you. Maybe we want to change the color of the font or something like that. As you can see, it's all happening in real time, and it allows you to do this. Nothing's changing for your visitor, but then once you spit this over into the editor, save your changes, and then reload, as you can see, your designs have been customized using the front-end CSS builder. That was just a quick example, but as you can see, it's just super powerful. And also, I actually love this editor-only feature, which allows you to use the front-end CSS builder with just the editor. So for those of you who actually are comfortable with coding and don't need any assistance, but would like the real-time controls, you can do that kind of thing. Let's see, we could do a as you can see, I just italicized these by just writing the code. Anyway, like I said, you just save your changes, reload the page, and they're right there. So no FTP, no having to mess with code editors or anything like that, and you get to see all your results in real time. So that's just a really quick, brief rundown of the dynamic website builder. There's so many features I didn't even get to. There's a back-end custom CSS builder that actually, like I said, writes the styles for you that you can then spit in right into your custom style sheet if you like. There's also a custom PHP builder, which actually allows you to write custom code specific to the Genesis framework, and then you can use that to either paste into your functions tab or your custom templates tab and things like that. There's just countless options and features that make Dynamic a super flexible and powerful child theme, and yet it's coded professionally to be secure, to be fast and efficient, and really just to provide you with a totally professional child theme, and yet with the controls and flexibility that's given over to the end user, so you don't have to be that professional website designer to be able to create all kinds of custom designs and really take control over your Genesis websites. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you have found this to be a useful